Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Independence Day to all my Indian viewers. I hope you all are having a great day. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys 3 cement DIYs. The difficulty level with them is somewhere between intermediate to difficult, but the end result is worth it and it's just amazing. So if you want to know how I made this, please keep watching. So I'm going to be using a cardboard to make my mold for the candle holder. I'm also using a scoreboard to help me with the measurements. You don't need to have this, you can just use a ruler. The cardboard is 11.5 inches by 4 5/8 of an inch. I'm going to start making my points on the short side first. First, mark at 2.5 inches and draw a straight line. As you can see, the side on the left is bigger than the one on the right. We are going to be using the small side. Here you're going to mark at 2.5 inches, 5 inches, 7.5 inches and at 10 inches. Then you're going to rotate your cardboard 180 degrees and mark at 1/4 inch, 2 3/4 of an inch, 5 1/4 inch, 7 3/4 of an inch and 10 1/4 inch. I'm just using a scale to measure the same point so I can draw a straight line. Next, you're going to join these points with the previously marked ones as shown so that you end up with these triangles. Now, we are going to cut these parts out. We don't need them. Cut along these lines as shown. Next, I'm using an X-Acto knife to score along all of these lines. This will help us to fold the cardboard and make sure we get clean edges. I'm going over it very lightly and making sure I'm not cutting it fully. This is how we assemble the mold. Apply adhesive on the edges. Apply the adhesive on the bottom flaps as well. I applied transparent tape on the inside just to ensure that my cement doesn't leak. Now go ahead and fill up your mold with the desired cement. Insert the Tealight in the center and let it dry for 24 hours. Then you can go ahead and decorate it whatever way you want. We're going to be using a cardboard for this DIY as well. This one measures 11.5 inches by 7 inches. Like the previous one, start on the short side first. Mark at 2.5 inches and 4 3/4 of an inch and draw straight lines like we did for the previous one. The middle and the right section measure equally, whereas the one on the left is slightly bigger. We're going to start measuring on the right side. Here, mark at 2.5 inches, 5 inches, 7.5 inches and 10 inches. Rotate it 180 degrees and mark at 1 1/4 inch, 3 3/4 of an inch, 6 1/4 inch and 8 3/4 of an inch. Now draw straight lines from those marked points, but only till the first horizontal line. Now join these points as shown. You're going to end up with something like this. Cut the parts as shown. Next, use an X-Acto knife and start scoring like we did for the previous DIY and gently bend along these lines. Secure the ends with the adhesive as shown. I actually forgot to score the bottom line, so here you can see me open it up and score the lines again. Apply adhesive to the bottom flaps as well. I apply cellophane tape to the insides as well to prevent any cement from leaking. Now fill it up with cement and insert a plastic bottle in the center. Did I use one? No. I used a glass bottle and ended up breaking it in the end, so learn from my mistakes. Then let it dry for 24 hours and you can paint or decorate it any way you want. To make the cement tray, I'm using an old tray. It's cracked, so I'm just going to use some tape to tape that area. Then apply a thick layer of petroleum jelly or Vaseline to the entire tray. Pour your cement mixture and let it dry for 24 hours. Here is another option where you can just use cake molds to make your tray. After the tray dried, I used a sandpaper to smoothen the edges and painted the bottom of the tray with white acrylic paint. And stuck marble contact paper on the top. I gave these old handles a good sanding and then painted them with bronze acrylic paint. Then I used Tealight to stick them to the tray. you so much for watching this video. If you guys do attempt any of these DIYs, please tag me on Instagram so I can see all of your lovely creations. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post videos. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.